balancing asanas. If you are unable to find balance in any balancing asanas, try these easy tricks to achieve it. Let's try the Vrikshasana or the tree pose. The first trick is to gaze at one point at the eye level. Remember, the point or object you are gazing should be motionless. The second trick is to press the toes and heels on the mat to keep yourself firmly grounded. So you can balance by using drishti, that is, focusing on a motionless object or the foot, or by doing both simultaneously.